Kakong Ampareen ling do hak arpinyo tarik urum phang arhaja arpulai. Hadin Bangladesh ban thep bela ka jong ka vote kalong ba omdan Jingeh ka Seng Npp ban Thaw ka Sorkar ba Thymmai. Kalong ru ba ka Seng Npp da kumno ru kan job bed ya arpusan hadu arpu pratali ki seat.
In my constituency, I don't want to be sounding proud and I don't want to be sounding condescending to other candidates, but I have a feeling we're very strong. I don't see any indicators of us, doing badly in any part of the constituency. I've just visited all my polling stations. I have another 3 polling stations to go to, and I'm kind of running out of time. But everywhere I have gone, I have been welcomed by the people, and they're all flocking around me and hugging me and kissing me. So it's a good feeling. It's a good feeling.
Post-election, how do you see the post-poll scenario as far as alliances are concerned?
I have a big hunch from the reports that we are getting from the ground that the NPP will be a formidable force. And even if we are close to 26, 27, 28, I don't think that there should be any difficulty in establishing ourselves as a party with a big mandate. I don't know. I hope that we will be able to do better. I hope we will be able to do better. I left my first vote this morning.
Yeah,
I got a trophy this morning at 7 a.m. 7:05.
Ya bang hap sendiri lah benda dam.